How to give copyright credit to music on YouTube. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, check if you can use the music. Before giving credit, ensure you are allowed to use the music. Get permission from the original creator if it's not royalty free or licensed. Write a copyright credit in the description. Here's the general format like music, track title name, artist name, licensed by, licensing platform or label, link to the music or license. For example, as you can see the format like this. Now, you can also add no copyright infringement intended. Like I do not own the rights to this music. All rights go to the original artist. However, this doesn't protect you legally but may show good faith. Just crediting a song doesn't mean you are free to use it. Always check usage, rights, or risk copyright claims or strikes. Lastly, my advice is just use copyright free music from YouTube audio library and Creative Commons options from the YouTube itself. So what you can do, just go on Google Chrome and type YouTube audio library. Go on the first website. Now here, type whatever music you want. Just click on this search or filter library option and you can select genre, mode, for example like hip hop and rap. Just click on apply and you can select whatever music you want. Now the second option is just go on YouTube. Okay, just click on the search bar and here type hip hop background music. I'm typing this, for example. You can type whatever type of music you want. Just background music. Enter. Here click on filters and select Creative Commons. Now, these are musics you can use in your video. Just give the credit and add link to the video in your description. And that's it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching.